Hey guys, now this is my fun video, guys. You know why I love the Forex market, guys? Because you don't have to recruit no one. Now also you see on my YouTube channel, guys, is I do affiliate marketing also. It's not really about recruiting. You can just sell clickbank products and you can sell digital products. And also affiliate marketing is recruiting also for residual income, guys. Now guys, let's talk about the Forex market. Why I love the Forex market. Now, right now, I got a trade going on right now with British pound versus USD. Okay. Now, this is my stop loss right here, and I got in a trade somewhere right here. So you see that stop loss? Very tiny. This is on a daily chart, too, guys. But my take profit is right this line right here, and that's my goal. I drew my trend line that you can see. It's hitting many points right there, but resistant. It only broke it one time, so I know it's respecting my trend line right here. I have show you got to point it at the right spot. Okay, I have my 50 moving average line right here. It broke my 50 moving average on top of it. This is my 200 moving average. It broke that. So I know it's a uptrend, guys, on a daily time frame. And the reason why I use this line right here as my resistance, because it hit it many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know this is a major resistance line right here, guys. So I just gotta be patient, guys, and let this trade ride out. I hope I don't have to adjust my stop average, my stop and loss right here. And how I get my stop loss, guys, I'm gonna show you the secret right here, guys. You go to the average true range right here, click on that button, just click OK. And what you want to do is you want to over this button right here, and you can see at the bottom it say 96 pips right there. So you want to put your stop loss, because on a daily range it can go up or down 96 pips. So if you're gonna win this trade, of course it ain't gonna go down 96 pips, you know. And I have my stop loss at 12638. Yeah, 38. 12. So I got at 12638, guys. So that's like a 90-something points, guys, right there on a daily time frame. Right here, you see this red thing right here. So it's like, you know, I got like almost like 90-something pips. So if it go against me, I lost this trade, guys. And I'm only betting 10 cents. I'm making sure my strategy is very good before I start investing a lot more money. And then, but my goal is to take profit. Let me see if that is 1.3172. So that's like 200 something pips to 300 pips, guys. I'm just gonna let it play out, because it'll never go past this if it's a uptrend. 93 pips. They're gonna make 93 pips in the next couple days or a day or so, and then they're just gonna keep on going up and drop it down a little bit, but never hit my stop loss right here, guys. So this is my strategy, guys. What I'm using to be more of a swing trader. You know, look at the average dip per day on daily, the ATRs right here. That's what I'm doing. 95 to 96 pips per day, typing in. That's what I'm doing right there. And I put my stop loss according to that, and then I'll take profit either 1-1 or 1-2, guys. Either I'm gonna get like 90-something pips up, or I want to make that 180 pips up. So that's my goals. Maybe I want that make 2 to 1. I lose one, make two. I think like that. All right, guys, just a little fun video that I'm showing you some strategies. If you look at my YouTube channel, I make a lot of videos on trade and stuff like that. Because I've been doing this for a long time, but I'm active now. I'm live basically. This is like my live chart right here, guys. And I don't know what it's gonna do. To be honest with you, it can drop down to my stop loss, or it can go up to here right here, guys. I'm just looking at the indicators. I'm looking at my trend line right here, guys. I'm just looking at different avenues. I'm looking at this top part right here. If we're gonna break this right here, so I'm looking at different avenues, guys. And I'll move my stop loss accordingly to somewhere up here. If it don't want to break it, I still make a little profit because I came in as the red line right here, guys. So I just move it up a little bit right here, my stop loss, and I see what happens, guys. All right, guys, quick little video from the boy. Hey, peace again, love always.